My name is Robert Buchanan. I'm the founder of ADHERE GEAR. Very excited to share with guys a little bit about the company as well as to demo the prototype behind me, just a few of the features to give you a taste of what we're doing and also discuss our 5-year plan. So ADHERE GEAR is focused on the deployment of a 5G network-controlled retrofit system for existing refrigerated cargo containers. Now, refrigerated cargo containers make up between 6 and 12% of existing fleets, but they have a $300 billion problem that occurs on an annual basis due to lack of optimization and automation. Now, the industry as a whole is a $14 trillion industry for maritime when it comes to shipping and logistics. But this $300 billion problem in refrigerated containers is a huge one, and we're tackling it. So let's go ahead and dive right into the hardware and the software so you can get a taste of what we're doing. So on the software side, we have an onboard platform that's also interconnected and on cloud computing. Can be accessed from any device, scales extremely well, and allows you to bring up all the different diagnostics for environmental control, GPS, humidity, temperature, gas, pressure, even light and ambient vibration. Also having the ability to have direct control over the different hardware on board. And be able to ping these containers within seconds to locate them in clustered groups or individually depending on the flag status, if there's maintenance, or if they need to be moved or relocated at the port or on board the ship. So very powerful software tied to some awesome hardware. So on the hardware side, what we have mocked up is the red laser load line, not to exceed line, very important in the industry, never to exceed these lines. Currently in the industry, they have red tape and a not to exceed label, and we're saying let's go ahead and tie this to sensors so that we can ensure that the cargo arrives intact and did not affect the flow of the cooled air as it passes around the cargo, ensuring the refrigeration is 100% controlled in the ambient environment. We did build our own 12-volt refrigerated system specifically for the refrigeration of this container. It's a compact prototype. We also have some amazing features tied in the security side, internal cameras as well as external cameras for situational awareness tied directly with the application. Inside the application, you're able to access important documents, bill of lading, cargo insurance, permits, certificates. Very powerful to have that tied directly and tethered to the container and accessible from any device and shareable to anybody within that network that's shipping of those goods globally. We did have to build our own 12-volt distribution block and power system, to power this prototype. We also had to build our own 12-volt refrigerated cooling system on board this compact prototype to ensure that we could read out the sensors and collect the data for processing. So with that being said, our 5-year goal is to deploy a 5G network-controlled, all-electric, fully sustainable refrigerated container. But to get to that point, we're focused solely on the deployment of retrofit kits for existing refrigerated containers, taking them from an analog mode and really pushing them to a digital mode and bringing them online. So that being said, we're really excited to hear from you, and we're excited about your questions, and we look forward to your feedback. Thanks so much, guys.